Hi everyone, I've just come to share a Christmas journal with you. I'm doing this in the evening, so I don't know how good the video will come out because we don't get a lot of light here during the winter in the UK. So anyway, this is probably going to be my only Christmas journal that I'm going to make this year and that I will do a video of, as it's getting a little bit late. But this one's going to be listed in my Etsy shop, and if you would like a custom order for one of these journals, I can get you one made up, which I will get posted out by the 12th of December. That's for international. So if you're interested in that, then you can just contact me through my Etsy shop. And it will also come with a collaged bag, so this journal fits inside this bag. And this is an idea that I got from one of Lindsay Zanor's videos. It was one of her marketplace videos, and this lady had made, Claire I think her name was, she had made these lovely collaged bags. Hers were quite a bit more sort of rustic than mine, but anyway, so I've made this bag. I've just used, I don't know if you can see that, just used some like thin craft packaging paper as the base, and I just cut a long piece. I think I did it about 12.5 by 9 this way. I probably could have made it a bit bigger. I did, you know, I didn't really work out the measurements properly, but then what I did is I just kept the sheet of paper flat on my table, and I just tore pieces of paper from a book and collaged them all over the bag. And the pages come from this book, which is called A Celebration of Christmas. And this is a lovely book. I got this last year and didn't really use it, but it has lots of lovely colour photos in it, lots of black and white illustrations, and it's it's about Victorian traditions, and it has recipes, carols, games, lots of stuff, different food that you might eat over Christmas. So it's a really, really nice book. You've got some hymns there as well, Christmas carols. So it's well worth getting if you happen to see a copy of it. I just got it from an online second-hand bookshop. So it's A Celebration of Christmas. And as you can see, it's a very thick, chunky book. So that's what I did. Oh, and then I Mod Podged all over the cover, all over the outside. So the journal measures 8 by 5, and this is made with a red thick cardstock, and the inside is also covered. It has a double layer of cardstock, Christmas cardstock. So it's a really nice sturdy cover, and then I've done a red fancy stitch all around the outside, and then we have a lace closure, and on the front I've just used this lovely gold sort of mesh fabric, and I've just done a little bit of layering. And the main kit that I've used in here is from Antique Papery, and it's called Santa Claus, and this is one of her images on the front. So once the lace cover is removed, it does fit inside your little bag. So we'll have a look inside. So on the first page we've got a pocket, and this is I think a freebie from Ephemera's Vintage Garden, and then this is a vintage postcard, and that comes from the 1910, and that has just a little message written on the back. So I love how the she's put the stamp on sideways. And then the first page has a nice piece of holly patterned vellum, and I've done a little cluster up there with some more of that gold mesh and a little piece of tea dyed fabric, and this is just like a netting type fabric. So this is the kit. There's lots of room for you to add your own Christmas things in this. This is a page from A Christmas Carol. So, and the kit comes with a few of these little ATC sized journal cards. And then I've used a few little labels. These are a freebie from Artie Mays, from her group called Artie Mays and Friends. So that's another page from the kit. A little paper bag. This is a little passage that I cut from A Christmas Carol. So you have some nice tea dyed paper. We've got a Christmas card here with an envelope. That's from Artie Mays. That's from one of her kits. This is a plate that comes from the Christmas Carol book. And I've just glued that onto some tea dyed paper, or coffee dyed paper actually, as an extra journaling spot. This is a tea dyed parchment. Just got a couple of little cards and a little embellishment there. This is some lace dyed paper. This is, I don't know if you can actually see it. This is Carol, thank you Carol, and hi. This is some plastic lace that she sent me. So I had my first try at doing some tea dyeing with that. And yeah, I was quite pleased with the results. This is a page from that book that I just showed you. And this is showing some recipes, cakes and puddings. I've just got a little envelope here with a couple of little cards. That's a couple more of cards from the kit. And this has been bound with waxed embroidery thread. Here I've just made a little pocket. Got a couple more cards from the kit and just a little gift tag. There's a little bit more of that lace dyeing there. Flip out, that's tea dyed parchment. I've got another pocket with a little label and a card. In here, I've just got a few little extra bits. And this journal will come with a little envelope with some little offcuts of paper and some die cuts and small embellishments. We've got a floating pocket here. This is made from a page from A Christmas Carol. So I've done another little collage here with one of Artie Mays' labels. That's just a little card there. You can always put some paper on the back there for journaling. And that's the vellum at the back. And that's it. Okay, so thanks very much for watching, and please like and subscribe down below if you want to receive more videos, and I'll hopefully speak to you very soon. Bye.